Hello, early explorers. Welcome to another week of activities. We've got a few new amazing Earth activities for you this week. You may want to print out our gravity scavenger hunt cards and try some activities inside or out to kind of explore the Earth's gravity. We also have Earth fan activity for you, and you can either print out the color pages if you have that capability. If you scroll to the very end of the activity, you'll find a black and white page that you can color and print, or you can use your own paper and explore the Earth's mantle, crust, and core and discover what makes the Earth unique from other planets. We also have a Discover Museum Objects activity for you this week on paper, so you can look at some images of the museum's minerals as well as fossil collection and discover all the clues we can get about the past of our Earth. So I hope you have fun discovering.